We are currently in London exhibiting in Finance Magnates, where probably everyone who means something in a financial business is. So FTMO definitely need to be here.
It's a great time here, it's vibing, a lot of people, so happy to present FTMO here.
We were also invited to speak in the panel discussion
About FTMO, FTMO beginnings, FTMO journey, what we are doing now, what are those plans for the future. So it was amazing to share this experience, and I believe the success what we did at FTMO, everybody got pretty excited. There was a Q&A session, so I have pretty good feelings about that.
It's interesting to see that professionals from financial sector, from technology companies, payment providers, all are coming here to our booth to have a chat with us, to see where the industry is going. We're telling them about our recent service products, about the premium program that we recently launched, our acquisition with Quantline, which is a traditional proprietary trading firm, and the future of the prop trading industry as a whole.
But also we met several of our traders and fans, which was amazing. We've seen so many people from around the world. We give away some t-shirts and stuff, so it was amazing.
We just want to assure that FTMO will stay ahead and be the leader in the prop trading business in the upcoming years.
FTMO!